Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's video, I wanted to give you a review of Zoom. So the stock here is something that I believe has a really good setup for lower prices. You just kind of have to adjust your time frame to get the best feel for it. So what I mean by that is you saw the daily squeeze that tried getting a little bit of movement to the upside. You can see the transition here from the red dots to the black dots is trying to call for a certain type of directional movement. And there were several moments in here where you saw a lot of that. But I am of the opinion that when that part of the squeeze tries firing long and then immediately gives it up so quick, it is not a squeeze that is trying to begin a new trend. It is a squeeze that tried firing counter trend, could not establish that new, in this case, bullish trend. So then it rolls back over to coincide with the larger time frames. Now, you can adjust this in a couple different ways, but where I think this thought shows up the cleanest is on a 4-day chart. So not quite a weekly, but obviously a much longer view than a daily, and just a unique perspective on today's bar or this week's bar and its relationship to this squeeze. So not only do you have the break that we looked at on the daily, kind of getting below those previous swing lows, but now you also have a break of the psychological price point of 100. Right? Tomorrow for July expiration, maybe it bounces back up, trades around 100, lets a lot of that premium for the monthly expiration expire. But once you get through that and traders start to realize that buying it at that 100 price point was not a discount, that was not a good place to be picking it up, and it trades 94, then 89, well, it's just going to get ever closer back into these swing lows. And then when the squeeze does actually resolve, you're looking for a stronger directional move. And I think movement down into, let's call it 67, possibly even 50, is not out of the question before the end of the year. So that's one stock that I believe had some pretty critical breaks this week. I wanted to make sure that you were aware of those bigger picture swing signals. I hope you can make some good cash with them into the end of the year. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.